Hey, I'm Isa. Nice to meet you. And I have a big problem. I like K-pop. And it's actually changed my life. I started going to K-pop dance classes in Ottawa and I was the best in the class. Yep. I also went to clubs with my friends. I was shocked to know that there were so many K-pop stands in Ottawa. I also love going to Korean barbecue, although it's like $60 per person. I'm gonna eat it every time. But Korean culture is not just K-pop. It's so much more. And the day I was invited to the Jolla event by the Korean government in Ottawa, everything changed for me. During this event, I tried on the hanbok for the first time. I only knew K-pop dances, and the traditional Korean dances are absolutely stunning. For the first time in my life, Korea wasn't just K-pop. Yeah, but K-pop is still the number one in my heart, and I can guarantee that going to see K-pop artists in real life is absolutely life-changing. After those amazing experiences, I realized that I wasn't just done with Korea. I wanted more.
This is a message for you. Save your money and go to every fucking K-pop concert you can. And get your light stick beforehand.
I actually loved it so much, I literally extended my trip just so I could see Sunmi 2 days later. Zero regrets.
You know who this motherfucker look like, low-key? Lord!
Since I don't speak Korean, and it's pretty easy to apply to a Korean language school to learn Korean, obviously. So that's the plan. I've never been to Korea, so yeah, I was kind of scared. So I took the huge decision of going back home, aka Senegal. And I'm not gonna lie, it was so weird going home after so many years. Like time kept moving, but I wasn't there to witness it. Finished registering. That's it. I'm going to Korea. Registration complete. I'm currently buzzing with positive energy. Like I can feel it in my fingers. Yes, sir. I'm so excited. This is real, guys. Everything is perfect. There's no need for additional documents. And I'll get started with my visa process immediately. Today is the day I dropped off my application at the South Korean embassy in Senegal. And I'm not gonna lie, they were low-key confused because I don't think many people apply for a visa. My information? What the fuck is a state? Oh, so it's province. Okay. And a couple days later, I was dropping off my passport for the final decision. I was so nervous. Received my passport. Let's see. Guys, I have my visa! Oh my god, is that the visa? It's a piece of paper? Are you guys for real? Oh my god, it's so exciting. Bro, thank god I was like patient on it. I'm supposed to wear this thing in. The pressure is getting what's up. Now that everything is official, I have to tell my friends. Now that everything is official, I have to tell my friends. And their reaction was a little bit unexpected.
Tu es en Corée? Oh, excuse-moi. Out of everywhere. Out of de tous les endroits sur cette planète Terre. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Oh, yeah, elle est allée poursuivre un de ses Nimnamjoudib là.
And just like that, it was D-Day, and I was ready to go. Or so I thought.
Literally, I just want to get on the plane.
Excuse me?
I was literally almost alone making, and everybody was making fun of me because I was so funny. And they were like, "You're gonna make it."
Yes, ma'am?
Girl. So this is flight 1 out of 4. Yes, 4 flights. So stick with me to unlock every destination. And this is the moment it started to hit me. I'm actually doing this. I'm actually dropping my whole life and moving to South Korea. No plans, just me. I'm just heading to my gate and then I have an hour to start boarding. And we made it to Ethiopia! And guys, I find it hard to understand that I left Senegal, it was night, and now I'm in Ethiopia and it's night again. This journey is really taking me around the world. I have unlocked the 3rd destination, Hong Kong. You are not ready for what's about to come. This is where everything went to shit. Before I left, the airline had told me that I had to recheck my bags in Hong Kong, and I just believed them. So the second I landed, I headed to baggage claim, but I had nothing to do there. When I left, Ethiopian Airlines told me that they were gonna check my bag, and I was like, "Can you not check it to Seoul?" And they were like, "No." And I knew I had like 2 hours of transit, so it was kinda... I landed and they told me to go to immigration. After immigration, I went to baggage claim. I can claim my luggage
We booked them, and then it leave. Once I arrived at immigration, they told me, are you staying in Hong Kong? I was like, no, I'm just trying to get my luggage. And they told me, oh no, it does that for you. You don't do it. I was like, okay, tell me go to the airline. Turns out it was after security. And I arrived at the front desk and I explained everything to the lady and she was flabbergasted because why did they not check your luggage all the way to Seoul? You're flying with the same company. Like, it's not the same, but you bought your ticket through the same company. I was like, I don't know. So she called her colleague. I was like stressed out and I felt so bad. And then she told me to go wait. By that time I had like an hour to board the plane. So I was like, okay, let's just chill. 25-30 minutes after she calls me, she calls her colleague. She's like, we need information on how to contact you. So once you land in Seoul, we can reach out to you and see where your luggage is. I was like, okay, give them my email and my friend's phone number. So that's that. I'm currently at my gate. We have 15 minutes before boarding and I'm not stressed about it at all. I'm exhausted right now.
I made it to the last flight barely. This journey taught me something. You should never let anyone else limit define your dream. I'm scared, I'm confused, I'm tired, but I'm still going. This meal was the best out of all the ones I've had so far. As I'm filling the arrival card, I'm starting to realize that, yo, this is real, guys.
We made it. I don't know where I'm supposed to go, but I'm just gonna focus. 28 hours of trauma.
And after 2 full days, I've made it. But you know me, something had to go wrong.
It's been a good 15 minutes of the wrong baggage claim. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to pick up my stuff. My ship is not here, and I don't know what to do. Long story short, they're lost. Well, not lost, but both of my luggages are not here. Oh, woohoo. Yeah.
Remember her? We actually met at my first K-pop dance class in Ottawa, and now we're meeting again in Korea. I call this butterfly effect.
I know one word.
Welcome to Seoul, baby!